Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord server right from your phone. So to begin, simply just open up the Play Store and search for Discord. And make sure it's updated or install it if you don't have it installed. And once you open it, it'll take you to your main page. And over here on the left, you will see all the servers that you've already joined. But to create your own, you would just simply tap this plus button down here. And then at the top, select create my own. And you can choose for me and my friends or for club or community. And then here, you will type in whatever server name you'd want and the upload picture. And then simply hit create server. And then over here, it will ask you if you want to invite friends. You can skip that if you don't want to. And there you go. Simple as that. You now have your own Discord server. Thanks for watching.